Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your flight ticket date on Fly Dubai. First, go to the Fly Dubai website and log in to your account using your last name and booking reference number. Once you're logged in, click View Booking. This will open your flight details. From there, choose the Manage Booking option. Here, you'll see the option to change your flight date. Select your new travel date. For example, change from November 10 to December 5 and confirm the update. Review any fare difference or change fees before completing the process. Once confirmed, you'll receive an updated booking email. And that's it. That's how you can easily change your Fly Dubai flight date online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.